Hi, this is Teacher Lucy, and today I'm going to talk about why wearing a seatbelt is so important. Why does it matter? Okay, number one, it prevents injuries and it saves lives. Seatbelts keep you from being thrown around when there's a sudden stop, a crash, or turbulence, reducing the risk of serious injuries or even death. And number two, it keeps us safe from unexpected situations. Whether in a car accident or an airplane emergency, seatbelts help prevent harm by keeping you securely in place. Real life example, on February 17, 2025, a Delta Airlines flight overturned during landing in Toronto. But all 80 people survived. While full details aren't clear yet, following safety measures like wearing a seatbelt likely helped prevent serious injuries. So next time you travel, buckle up. It could save your life. This is Teacher Lucy. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye.